Good morning, student. After a long time, we are meet now. Hope all of you fit and healthy. This time, winter season is started now. So everyone be careful for that season. Everyone wear now some woolen clothes and take proper diet. Okay, and you stay home. Okay, you stay home. Be safe in a because you are safe in a home in this pandemic situation. Okay, then let's start today's classes. Your half yearly exam is over now. This time your this time today I will give you your second UT syllabus for preparation of annual examination. Okay, then open your book everyone and content, and you take now the chapters which are coming in a UT syllabus. According to your syllabus, the first chapter is chapter 12, our natural resources. First chapter is our natural resources. Then 13, the soil. 14, our forest and wildlife. Chapter 15, our water resources. Then chapter 16, our mineral wealth. And next chapter is chapter 17, that is agriculture. It means these chapters are coming in your UT syllabus. Okay student, then today's classes start now. According to UT syllabus, today's your first chapter is chapter 12, and that is our natural resources. First, this is your SST class. Chapter 12 are natural resources. Natural resources. This chapter your book exercise is done now, and your explanation is done now, your SST teacher. Today we will discuss about the copy work. Okay students, because your question answer are left from this chapter. If your previous work copy is left now some pages, don't purchase new copy in this pandemic situation students. Listen very carefully. You use now that copy. Okay, first how you use now that copy, your SST copy you use now. First you fold now one page like that. Suppose that this is your SST copy. Okay, you fold now, just this type of fold now, this page in your copy, this type you fold now, and here you mention now what you mention now students. Remember that what are you doing now in your classroom. You mention now here UT second. You mention now here UT second. Okay, after that you left this page. This one page is left now, and you continue here. You started now your work. Here you mention now your date, chapter name, and after that your exercises. Then today's work is our natural resources. According to your book, today we will discuss about the question answer, because your explanation and your book exercise all things are done. Okay, then only question answers are left now. Then start now your question answer according your book. This is C section. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. According to your book, question number 1. First is, what are natural resources. What are natural resources? First question. According to your first question, what are natural resources? Anything. Student, according to this question, what is the answer? According to your question, the answer is anything anything in the environment, anything in the environment which can be used by human being human being is called natural resources. Okay, student. And what are the examples? Examples are here. Examples like that: coal, water, petroleum, like that petrol, diesel, petroleum, and forests and wildlife. All these things are made by nature. Okay, these are our natural resources. After that, some water, wind, sunlight, these are natural resources also. Many things. Okay, and minerals also that we are occur from the earth crust. Okay, then move to the question number 2. According to a book, question number 2 is define exhaustible resources. Okay, then what is the answer? Exhaustible exhaustible resources are those resources which are present in limited. Okay, this word is remember that, student, limited quantity. And it can be completely and can be completely used up by human activities. It is also called also called what? It is also called non renewable renewable resources. Okay, what are the example? Land, because we cannot make that resources, and this type of resources are mostly carbon fossils. Okay, and that type of resources are made of many years, take a many years, like that coal. We cannot make that type of, okay, coal, petrol, and like that minerals. Okay, every questions very neatly and carefully. Okay, then move to the next question. Question number 3. Hopefully student, you all of you done now this question. Then move to the question number 4 is question number 3. Question number 3, define inexhaustible resources. Okay, this is your question. Define inexhaustible resources. Okay, this is your question. Okay, according to this, the answer is the resources which are which are present in unlimited. Exhaustible resources, there are limited, but these are present in unlimited. Okay, unlimited quantity. This word is important. Okay, unlimited quantity in nature. Okay, and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Exhausted by human activities are called inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources. Okay, students. Inexhaustible. What are the example of this? The examples are like that air. It is not in limit. It is not limited now. Air, sunlight. Okay, soil. These are the example of this. Some extra are also like that plants. Okay. Then question number 4 is here. Question number 4. Why is soil an important resources according to your book? Right now everyone, why is soil an important resources? Soil is very useful for us. It is topmost layer of the earth. Yes, you know, many plants and many microorganisms are grow in the soil. Okay, that's why. Then right now everyone, this question answer. Soil is our soil is our life support life support life support system. Okay, it is the topmost top layer. It is the top. Here is Y, not G. It is the top layer of earth surface. Earth surface in which plants and in which plants and many microorganisms many microorganisms grow. It used to fulfill. It is it is an important and is important. It is important. Here is my one mistake. Important resources which is used to fulfill 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 our basic needs. Okay students, basic needs like that, such as, what are our basic needs? Such as food, yes or no, clothes and shelter. These are our basic needs. These 4 questions are completed now. Okay students, these 4 questions very neatly. Okay students, move to the question number 5. 4 questions are done now. This is number 5 question students. Why are trees called green gold? Green gold. Why? What is the reason? Because of that, right now everyone, every part of a plant like that, root, starting below part, root, bark, flower, fruits, fruit, stem is useful to us to us. So trees are called. So trees are called green gold. Okay. Some plants are medicine plants. Trees give us furnitures for to making furniture. Wood trees are given of wood. That's why trees are called green gold. Okay. Then question number 6 is here. Why do living things need air? Why do living things need air? This is important and everyone know it. All living things need to breathing to air. Without air we can survive? No, na? Answer is here. Right now everyone, air is important. Air is important for all living. For all living things. All living things. All living things. All living things. All living things need air. Need air to breathe. Okay, student? To need breathe. Living things take in oxygen. In breathing process, all living things. Okay? Living things takes in oxygen gas. Oxygen from the air. And give out which gas? Give out carbon dioxide. This is C. This is carbon dioxide. Okay, students, this answer is done now. Air is very important for your breathing. Without air we cannot survive. These 6 questions are done now and your book exercise also done now and explanation is also today. Your question answer is done now. If there is any problem then you can discuss me. Okay.